Hi, my name is Bryce Rieger. I'm the National Sales Manager with Vac-Con. And the purpose of this video today is to give you a virtual walk around of one of our demonstration units that we have out in the field. I'm going to start with our Omnibus Precision Power operating system. With our joystick, you have several functions on here. You have your vacuum control and your water system control. So for our dual engine units, this top right button will start and stop the auxiliary engine, and on our single engine units, it will turn the water pump PTO on and off. And then you can increase your water system or decrease it with independent control, both on our dual engine and single engine units, and then increase for the chassis engine and decrease for the chassis engine as well. This top left-hand button, if you activate that and pull the joystick forward towards you, it will articulate the hose reel out 180 degrees to where you can stop the rotation of the reel in any position along that 180 degree arc. On the back side of the joystick, you have a trigger. If you hold down, this activates your boom, so you can move it up, down, left, and right. You can twist the joystick right and left to telescope it in and out. The top side, if you hold it up for 3 seconds, activates your hose reel spool, and then you can activate it from there in 25% increments. 25, 50, 75, or 100% speed. So once you set your hose reel spool to the proper percentage that you want, you can also rotate it from 0 all the way up to 100%. And that's simply just by how far left and right you move the joystick. It's 100% proportionally controlled. So the operator has all the precision and power at his or her fingertips. So what we have here for the operating screen is this is your main operator's page. So what this will give you in the top left-hand corner is the water system pressure, 0 to 3,000 psi, your vacuum system RPMs on the right, your hose reel spool speed. As you can see, I just changed it, 25, 50, 75, or 100%. To the left of that, you have your payout for your footage. And then for our dual engine combination units, in the bottom left-hand corner, you have the auxiliary engine operating RPM as well. For single engine units, that would just be blank. And then on the bottom right-hand corner of your screen, you have your chassis RPMs. And on the right-hand side, we have pre-programmed popular features. Our standard automatic vacuum breaker door that comes with every truck sold. You can activate and deactivate the vacuum with a push of one button right here. And then some other options, electromagnet, water pulsation feature as well. The operator will spend 99% of their time on this main operator screen because it gives them all the necessary information while they're out operating the truck, cleaning the sewer line, catch basins, etc. There's other screen choices by the turn of a knob here. So if they want to look at hydraulic information, you can see again another tachometer here for the RPMs of the vacuum system, whether your hydraulic cooling fan is working or not, vacuum system charge pressure, vacuum system hydrostatic pressure, oil pressure for the hydraulic oil system, as well as the oil temperature. The next screen to the left is your engine parameters and more detailed information that you don't get on your main operating page. So for our dual engine combination machines, all your auxiliary engine information is on the left-hand side of the screen. All your chassis engine information is on the right-hand side of the screen. And then in the center, you have your chassis engine hours, your auxiliary engine hours, fuel burn rate for both the chassis engine and auxiliary engine. One of the main benefits of our CAN bus /OPP operating system is the diagnostic tool and feature that comes standard with every unit. So if you have an issue with your joystick, you can come to this joystick menu, and if you pull the trigger on your joystick, for an example, and move the joystick to the left, as you can see, the percentage moves because it's all 100% proportional. So you can literally come to this screen and test every function of the joystick to make sure that it is working properly. And as well as diagnostics for the joystick, you have it for all your lighting features as well too. So your power distribution module output status is displayed right here. So as you can see, everything is okay, but if you have an issue, it'll let you know where the issue is, so you can go right to the source. To demonstrate our diagnostic capabilities, I unplugged one of our connectors for the joystick. So as you see on the main operator screen, an error popped up on the main screen. Push the button, come down here to hit errors, and it'll tell you the CAN network that we have an error here. Push the button next to it, and then as you can see, it highlights where the issue is with the joystick. And we also have that for display, the wireless remote, which is your Omnibus, your power distribution module, chassis engine, so forth and so on. So again, it'll pinpoint where the issue is, so you can go right to the source instead of chasing wires all day long. I'm going to show you how to articulate the hose reel. So push the top left-hand corner black button, pull it towards you, and you can stop the hose reel in any position throughout the entire 180-degree arc. And then another unique feature to Vac-Con is our outrigger leg. So with the same button, I just twist the joystick and I put down the outrigger leg. And what that does is give the operator a nice steady platform to work on. And what it does is it shifts all the front weight of the truck to the front suspension of the chassis. Another nice feature of the Vac-Con is how easy it is to get to the vacuum hose. One quick clamp. That's all it takes to get it ready to work. Then I'll show you the rotation. And again, because it's all proportional hydraulics, you can rotate and extend the boom and go up all at the same time. And you can do it as fast or as slow as you want.